Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add arrows to your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add my video here. Then you are going to go to stickers. There's a lot of options, but if you just search arrow or arrows, this will show up and you can basically choose the one that you would like to use. There's some that's animated like this one. There is some that isn't animated, but I'm just going to select the animated one here. I'm just going to add it to my video. I'm just going to scale it down, and then I'm going to rotate it. I'm just going to place it on a button here. You can add in an in animation here as well if you'd like to. But yeah, that is pretty much it. There's also an out animation. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!